Hello children, today we will learn how to write prime factorization. Let us see this question. Express each number as a product of its prime factors. Number 1, 140. Write 140 and divide it by 2, smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. This is divisible by 2. Divide it. 2 7s are 14 and 0. Again it's divisible by 2 because one's digit is 0. If one's digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is divisible by 2. So divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Now this is not divisible by 2 because one's digit is not 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is 5. So check whether the number is divisible by 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. Now is this number is divisible by 4? No, because if the number is divisible by 2, then it's divisible by 4. And see, this number is divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35. Then what is the prime factor? 140 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Then you can write in this way. 2 into 2 is 2 to the power 2 into 5 into 7. This is the prime factors, product of prime factors. Now solve the second question. 156. This is divisible by 2. So divide it by 2. 2 7s are 14 and 2 8s are 16. Again this number is divisible by 2 because one digit is 8. 2 3s are 6 and 2 9s are 18. 39. 39 is not divisible by 2. Now check whether the number is divisible by 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 comes in the table of 3. That's why this number is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 13 is prime number. So it's not divisible by any other number. Only by 13. So the prime factor of 156 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. So you can write in this way. 2 into 2 is 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 13. Now take another number. Solve another number. 3825. This is not divisible by 2 because one digit is not 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is 5. Now check whether the number is divisible by 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 comes in the table of 13. That's why this number is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. Now again this is not divisible by 2. Check whether the number is divisible by 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 comes in the table of 3. That's why its number is divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Now this is not divisible by 2 and 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. This is not divisible by 3 also. But it's divisible by 5 because one's digit is 5. Divide by 5. 5 8s are 40 and 5 5s are 25. Now again this number is divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 sevens are 35. 17 is prime number, so it's not divisible by any other number. So the prime factors of 150 is 3825 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. Then you can write in this way: 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2 into 17. Now solve another number. 5005. Now divide it. This is not divisible by 2 because one digit is 5. Now check whether the number is divisible by 5. 3. 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is not divisible by 3. But this is divisible by 5 because one digit is 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Now again this is not divisible by 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is also not divisible by 2. This is 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's also not divisible by 3. And this is not divisible by 4 also. Not divisible by 5. Not divisible by 6. Because if it is divisible by 6, then it must be divisible by 2 and 3 both. So it's divisible by, check whether the number is divisible by 7. 7 ones are 7, and then it's equal to 3. 7 fours are 28, and then 7 threes are 21. This is divisible by 7. Now this is divisible by 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 threes are 13. 13 is a prime number, so it's not divisible by any other number. So prime factors of 5005 is equal to 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Now we will solve the last question. 7429. This is not divisible by 2 because one digit is not 0 to 468, and this is the, check whether the number is divisible by 3. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. So 22 is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 3. And this is also not divisible by 4. This is also not divisible by 5. Not divisible by 6. Not divisible by 7. Not divisible by 8. Not divisible by 9. Because if you add all the digits, it's not divisible by 9. It's divisible by 17. 17 fours are 68, and now 17 68, 17 threes are 51, and then 17 sevens are 119. Now this is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 4, not divisible by 5, not divisible by 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is divisible by 19. 19 2s are 38 and 19 3s are 57. So the prime factors of 7429 is equal to 17 into 19 into 23.